Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating pre-multiplication. I'm going to be demonstrating it using Photoshop, an application which perversely hides many of the problems of pre-multiplication. Let's first create a new layer, and I'm going to paint some black and some white on it. There we go. Now, in the digital world, white is 1 and black is 0. Let's play around with some blend modes. Let's first of all try multiply. Right, 0 multiplied by any number beneath it equals 0, so the result is black. 1 multiplied by any number beneath it equals no change to those numbers, so it becomes invisible. Let's try another blend mode, the add blend mode. 1 white plus any number equals higher than 1. Now it so happens there is no higher than 1 in the visible world, so we get white. Whereas 0 plus add any number equals no change to that number, so it too becomes transparent. Simple mathematics. Okay, now we're going to place this ball over that background, foreground background, and we're going to be using that alpha. Using simple blend modes, simple mathematics, we're going to fake a transparency. First of all, let's try a simple add. The foreground added to the background equals a higher set of numbers, therefore it becomes whiter. Let's stick this alpha between the two and change that blend mode to multiply and invert it. Now let's look at what we've done. This layer has been set to multiply. I've inverted that alpha. The black multiplied by the background equals black. The white has become invisible. I've placed that ball over the result of that, and the black underneath the added ball equals no change to the ball. Okay, so what I need to do now is to convert, so the ball is looking fine, that the background is still looking weird. So I need to convert the background into black for it to be insignificant in the add blend mode. How do I do that? Let's place that alpha over the ball. Let's clip them onto each other so this alpha will only affect that background. And multiply. And there we go. So now I set this back to add. And hey presto, I faked transparency. Might be a little bit quick for you to comprehend. Try going through it yourself. We've got that inverted alpha set to multiply. We've got the foreground set to add, and the background of that foreground has been multiplied by the alpha, and it is the multiplication of the foreground by the alpha that is called pre-multiplication.